In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule reports in Zoho CRM. Scheduling reports can save you a significant amount of time and ensure that everyone stays up to date with the latest data. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to find yourself in Zoho CRM and navigate to the Reports tab. This tab is your gateway to viewing all the reports you need and, importantly for us today, where we can automate their delivery through scheduling. On your screen's left-hand side, you'll see a folder menu. In this menu, look for the section that says Scheduled Reports. This is where you'll manage all your report schedules. To start a new schedule, click on New Report Scheduler. This will open a form that guides you through the process of setting up the automation. Now, with the scheduler form open, the first thing you'll do is select the report you want to schedule from the drop-down list. Zoho CRM provides a variety of reports to choose from, so find the one that fits your needs. Next, you'll decide on the export format. Zoho gives you three options here: XLS, CSV, and PDF. Consider what format works best for you and your recipients. PDFs are great for fixed layouts, while CSVs and XLS files are better for data manipulation. You also have the option to include the record ID column if that information is vital to your analysis or reporting needs. Ensure you set the start date and time for when you'd like the report distribution to begin. This is crucial for aligning the report schedule with the business requirements or reporting cycle of your team. With timing in mind, you'll choose the frequency of report dispatch. Options include daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, which allows you to tailor the schedule according to the nature of the report and how often the data changes. If your reporting needs have a definite end or a set number of occurrences, you can specify an end date or a number of occurrences. Now, it's time to determine how the report will be sent. Under the Send Report Via section, you have a variety of delivery channels to choose from. You could send it via email directly to internal Zoho users, groups, or even external email addresses. Alternatively, you might prefer sending it through Click or Cisco WebEx, especially if your team makes extensive use of those platforms for integrated communication. Finally, you need to specify the recipients of the report. Add the Zoho users, roles, groups, or territories that should receive the report. If necessary, you can also add external email IDs to ensure everyone who needs access to this data gets it. Now, the final step is to click Schedule. By doing this, you activate the schedule you've tailored, and your report will be dispatched according to your specified parameters. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a report in Zoho CRM. This process streamlines your reporting workflow, ensuring timely delivery of crucial data to your stakeholders without the need for manual intervention each time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.